GoPro batteries are pretty good. So got all of our batteries, campers loaded up. It's just me. Everybody else kind of had some stuff come up at the last minute. I have one other buddy who's probably going to come up for the weekend. Otherwise, I'm going to run into a good old friend down in Black River. So we'll get some recording in. We're going to get some riding in. It's going to be a busy weekend. It's Labor Day weekend. That's just what you can expect. So we're heading out with Clifford right now. We got the truck bed camper on, and our 20-foot trailer is on the back. So we are loaded down. Airbags are at 50 psi in case anybody was wondering. Definitely rides a lot better with airbags on it. So we will go from there. I think 50 is pretty good for what I'm doing. I don't feel a reason to raise it at the moment. I only have one machine on my trailer. I would have used our aluminum trailer if I knew it was just going to be me. But I guess we'll have, got to do a first test run on our 20-foot trailer. So we will update you when we get there. I'll probably put this thing on a charger soon, just to charge the battery that's in the GoPro. And then, yeah, we're gonna try to go to Rock Dam tomorrow. That's the goal in Black River Falls. Out of Black River Falls, we're gonna go to Rock Dam. So load up, pack out, and kind of cruise around, put some miles on tomorrow, and then we got another ride on Monday. We'll be coming back to Hayward, and the Boost Force should be coming out to play on that ride. So, all right, catch y'all in a little while here. See ya. On YouTube before?
Hey YouTube.
Oh, it's so scary. Yeah.
What's up YouTube?
Yep. We're out here at the Mark. Want to check it out in Black River Falls, doing some ripping. Got the machine a little dirty. Got some juice boxes.
Yeah.
That's what we call them. That's what we call them, juice boxes. Machine's doing good. We almost got hit. That'll be in the video. That'll be sweet. But
Yeah.
yeah, that was not good.
We almost died.
Yeah, practically died.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe.
Hey, he knows.
Click that bell.
Click that bell. You hear the man? You better hear that. Anybody that don't click the bell, just close your.
See us die.
You're not gonna see the good stuff.
Yeah.
Oh shit.